I want to talk about differences between riding a car and riding a motorcycle, right? So let's talk about that. That's an interesting. One of the questions is, right, what's the key difference? And the best way to understand the difference is by actually riding a motorcycle. And most people just right here in the States, they usually just drive cars. They don't know what riding a motorcycle is. But outside America, most people have ridden motorcycles, or the developing countries. So the key difference is, man, riding a car is so damn boring. Even if you have, a fancy car, it just gets so damn boring in a car. You get into a sports car, like a Lamborghini or a Ferrari or something that exotic. Firstly, you're gonna pay hundreds and thousands of dollars for that bike, for the car, and just when you get in, it's gonna be as claustrophobic as hell. You can't see anything around you, and you're gonna get. I don't like I don't like tight spots. I like kind of open spots. So it's so damn tight. You spend a lot of money, and then you end up getting sick if you have claustrophobic issues. Now, the difference between, let's get past this car here. Okay, so the difference in riding a motorcycle, man, you really have to ride one to experience the feeling. But it's so free. You feel so free, and you feel like you can see everything around you. Like, I've got so much visibility here. I enjoy traveling. I enjoy kind of spending time I don't like spending time on the freeway. I'd rather but when I'm even on the freeway, I enjoy kind of watching the sceneries here. You get a 360-degree view of everything. So it's so and it's so easy. It's so nice. We look at this. You lean into the corners. There's no drag on your body. In your car, when you take corners, there's drag and a kind of body inertia on your body. But here in a motorcycle, there's no. You lean into it, so the forces, the G-forces or the body forces on your body are much less, and you enjoy kind of cutting through that angle. It cuts through the terrain and lean into the curves. It's a unique feeling. You really got to feel it, to ride, to understand what I mean. And it's so relaxing. I enjoy riding because, when I go to work, I don't, it's more fun than going on a bike than sitting in a car or taking public transportation. It's just, you get more involved and you're really focused and you enjoy it. It makes you come alive. Versus, the other forms of transportation, my God, it sucks. So there's a huge difference. But the key difference is also you're taking on more risk. And so that comes down to your risk appetite. Can you accept the risk based on where you are at your, in your life? How does your family think about you riding, your wife, your close ones? You have to take all that into account.